supposed to do the Father's Day one on the 18th with my godmother. Yeah.
We're running a train from Westchester tomorrow, so if you want to come and actually ride the railroad.
I see.
Hey, how are you? Can I answer any questions for you at all?
Can't think of anything at the moment.
Okay.
So, the station you're in was built in 1882. You're in the waiting room. The ticket office is right here. You're welcome to go in and see some of the artifacts that are in there. Very, very little is original to the station. We had an idea what would have been in the station, but we don't have anything really that was originally from the station. What's in here, most of it we put here. The rest of the building is an apartment where the station agent lived and raised his family, and it was that way right up until the late 60s. So nobody lives there now. There's no public water or public sewers here. But if you'd like to go see what the rest of the apartment looks like, you can go up the steps if you like. Be careful on the steps. The steps are built a little bit differently than what they are today because they're from 1882. And there is one room upstairs that's got some old railroad artifacts and that. So you're welcome to go wherever you like. The dining car is open, the caboose is open, and if you'd like to get a look in the cab, I can have somebody show you up into the cab at a local moment too. Okay. All right.
Now this
Enjoy
one,
yourself.
this one runs. This one's open.
It's 12, you said?
Yes.
We go with the one.
Okay.
In transition, so I can give you a